I'm making another vlog today, so I'm just chilling. I don't think I'm allowed out till 12, so I'm just gonna play Fortnite since then. It's a bit of a colder day, so I'm gonna wear jeans. I know you're not used to me wearing jeans, but I'm gonna actually try to get more clips on the phone because on the phone and the GoPro look really good together, sort of thing. So that's all I have to say. That is pretty foggy. Look at that. Slipped over in the shower and cut my ankle. I had to change my leg shoes because mine broke like the originals on it, so yeah, they look a bit weird, but they're the new ones I had. We made it to the skating. I'm actually gonna get some like clips with music behind it today, not just on the GoPro, but I'm gonna get some on the GoPro too. So go on, Nate. Oh. I only got 2 clips because it's just a lot harder doing it like that, so I'm just going to put the GoPro on now.
Yeah, water, that damn water, huh?
Nate got some flavour and some Apex. They look slick. Look at them. They look so slick with the blue.
Guys, customs.
I've just put out an Insta photo, so go check that right there. Too good. Well, I have tried this, but I've never landed it. It's a T-bog up bank, so. Oh! I just landed that. See what I've done? I'll do another T-bog call. Gang. Alright guys, today is Wednesday. I haven't done anything for the vlog. And I was just thinking the reason why I did all those GoPro clips like I have is just to get through it because I didn't have that many. And I'll be going out tonight and doing that. Also, I nearly landed by whip. I landed both feet. So here's a clip now.
Don't move, I will not hit you properly.
Kyle's bars also broke. Like, they snapped. So did his clamp, but my clamp's starting to snap, which isn't real good. But the thing I'm really happy about is, shout out to Max, he watches my videos. He gave me this free Stussy jumper, and that's him.
Oh, it's going straight in my basket.
As you can see, it's a pretty big crack, which I'm not real happy about, but if it breaks, before I get a new one, Nate said he'd let me use one of his. Got Nate on the way to school, and we got Zach. Jesus. Alright guys, we're going bike jumping today, so it'll be fun. Yeah, we got the boys' car. Where are you? Dylan. We're going out to Dumboys. I got the GoPro, so I'm getting clips on that. Tim, sorry, yeah. So basically, the tire's gone down, so we're getting him to go home. Jesus, get the pump, and then I'll be able to ride. Alright, I've got this back. Send it! Woo! Still, you're making me bleep. Oh! You good? Jesus! Nathan! And then there's Luke. Yeah. Alright, I'll go. I don't like this jump. Land on the nose manual. Right, this is the last jump. As it's the next day again, it's like 9 right now. I've done footage shown and everything. It is such a bumbled vlog this is, it's really weird. But tomorrow, that will probably be when I'm uploading it because I'm definitely going to skate park tomorrow. My bars are about to break because I can feel them moving back and forth. So I ordered my new bars tonight. I'm not showing you what they are until I get them. But if these break, then I'm getting Nate's grip bars. Like, they'll just do for now. Or, like, one of his any of his bars. I don't really care. And one of his clamp, he's clamped, so I get a new clamp. But yeah. Guys, I'm waiting for Kyle to hurry up, and then I'm going to Nate's to get the bars. Alright guys, I made it to the skating. I'm going to get you on my head, and then I'm just going to do a bar spin and see if my bars last, because they're really cool. But I've got Nate's, these, until my... Oh, exposed something. I'm just going to beat that. Oh, she's lasted. Oh my god. How is it not broken yet?
Gotta send it, bruv.
Wow!
Have you got...
Oh, come on, just break! Oh, I felt him give way. Do that again. Look at my clamp. I've already done finger whip.
Do another one.
Alright, I'll do another finger whip. Oh my god. Oh, hey! Look at that. Look at that. Wow! Okay, one more whip. One more.
Whip up, mate.
Holy Jesus. I'll bar spin. Oh, okay, I'm just breaking them. Ready?
What are you doing? Just break them.
Yeah, the boys! Look at that. That's mad. It's actually snapped though. Okay, I'm putting this part in the video right now. Look at that. That still works. I forgot to put what scooter I'm using in the rest of the clips. So it's just the same clamp because that works as a double clamp now. How funny is that? And then just Colt bars. So yeah, back to the video. Move! Bar whip, Max.
Yeet!
Up! Okay, I'm not used to this scooter. Go! Bar over the hip, bar over the hip, bar over the hip. I'm gonna do tricks where I don't have to move my hands off the bars. No! Max! I got it! Okay, I'll get that. Oh my god. Alright, I'll try bar. Oh! I got it! Go, do something. Maybe, anything. Kickless.
Get the chick pregnant and run away.
I landed something. I just landed something, but it wasn't bright.
Go. Nearly a Bri 360. Alright, this is for Cody. I'm doing one more trick and I'm going because it's just too cold and it's like nearly 6, so do a bar whip. Oh. One more go.